Hello my dear all students. I am feeling my all students are fine. Okay. Last class we already studied about the empty sets, finite and infinite sets and the equal sets, right? Okay. For this class directly we will going to do for the exercises, right? Okay. Exercises means not for full exercises, right? For every questions one by one question I will do for you people, right? Okay. For the remaining questions you want to do and you want to send on my person number, right? For the homeworks, right? I will check the question answers and I will give the reply, okay, for that. And the same way, now today we can do the exercises, right? Exercises means already written the question from here. You can look at here, the first thing, exercises 1.2, the first question, right? Which of the following are examples of null sets, right? Means null sets का example कौन सा है, right? Just you can check it in here. The first one, right? The first one is set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2, right? The set of odd natural number divisible by 2, right? Okay, you can I will going to do, right? You can just observe this one, how the answer is coming, right? Okay, for the first one, set of odd natural number divisible by 2, right? The set, we can say the set is equal to A, right? The set is equal to A. For that, odd natural numbers divisible by 2, right? Okay, then we can possible to say that natural numbers, odd natural numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Right? This is the odd natural number, right? Okay, you can check this in here. This number we can't possible to divisible by 2, right? We can possible to divisible only for the even natural numbers, right? Okay, the odd natural number we can't possible to divisible by 2, right? For that we can possible to say this set is a empty sets, otherwise null sets, right? Are you understand? Because the sign empty set we can write directly inside the sets, right? This is the answer for the exercise 1.2 first question, first one, right? Okay, the same way the second question, second one, right? What's the second question? Which of the following sets are finite or infinite, right? Okay, I already introduced you what's the meaning of a finite and infinite, right? Which set is finishing, that set is called finite. Which set is not finishing, that set is called infinite, right? Okay, from here we can just observe this one, the set of months of a year, right? The set of months of a year, right? For the questions we can say the set is equal to A, right? The set is equal to A. We can possible to write the set of months, right? January, February, etc. The last month is right. For a year, the last month, starting month is January and the last month is December, right? Okay. This set you can observe this sets. This set is finishing from there, right? Is the starting numbers, starting elements, and is the ending elements, right? For that, we can possible to say this set is a finite sets, right? This set is not an infinite, right? For the answer, we can possibly to write down set A. Okay, set A is an finite set. Okay, right? Set A is a finite set. This is the answer, right? Okay, question number 2 is over, right? Okay, and the same question number 3 is a continuation of question number 2, right? If you are reading the questions, you can understand, right? What's the answer? What the answer will come, right? Okay, for that now we can do the question number 4, right? Question number 4 in the following. Okay, state whether A is equal to B, right? In the following, state whether A is equal to B, right? It means equal sets, right? We want to find the equal sets from here, right? Okay, it's the first one, right? First one you can check it is in here. The A is equal to A, B, C, D, right? The elements is already given. Set A is equal to A, B, C, D. Set B is equal to D, C, B, A, right? From here you can check this one, right? The first element of set A is equal to A, right? The same element is coming from set B also, right? Okay. And the second element is B, right? The second element is B. The same element is coming from set B also, right? The third element is C. The same element is coming from here also. Last element is D. The same element is coming from here, right? Okay, the two sets, okay, set A and B, the inside that you can check it, the elements are equal, right? For that, what's the meaning of an equal sets? Is a set A and B is contain the same elements, right? Equal elements. Same element is called the equal sets, right? From here, the elements are same. For that, we can possible to say set A is equal to set B, right? From here you can check it, the elements is coming or not. C is there, D also is there, right? The elements is equal. For that, set A is equal to set B, right? This is the answer for the first one question, right? Remaining questions you can do, that's I given to you at homework, right? And the next one is the fifth one question, right? Are the following pairs of set equal, right? Are the following pairs of set are equal or not? If the set is equal means you want to give the reason also, right? Okay. For that means the first question is A is equal to 2 and 3. B is equal to set for x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6, right? X is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6, right? Is little bit difficult question, that also is an easy question, right? Okay, we already learned the solutions, okay, right? Linear equation, algebraic equations, right? Okay, for that, the question, you can observe the question properly, then you will get an idea for this one, right? Okay, the first one, right? The first is set A, right? You can check it, the x1 and x2, right? The first one is 2 and the second element is 3, right? This is the x elements, right? Okay. For that set B, you want to apply the x in an equation, right? We can apply, right? The first one, right? Element is 2, right? You can check this one. X square, x is equal to, we can give 2, right? Then how the solution will come? X square is implies, x square means 2 square plus 5 into 2, right? 5 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 0, right? This is the equation, right? Okay, we can solve this one, right? 2 square is equal to 4, right? 2 square is equal to 4 plus 5 into 2, 10 plus 6 is equal to 0, right? We can check this one. 4 plus 10, 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. The answer will come, the 20 is the answer, right? 20 is not equal to 0, right? 20 is not equal to 0, right? The equal sets means all elements want to be equal, right? We taken the first element 2, right? X is equal to 2, then the answer is different, right? For that we can possible to say the first question, set 2 and 3, A is equal to 2 and 3, B is equal to set for x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6. Is A and B is not an equal sets, right? The final answer we can say that A and B is not an equal, right? This is the final answer for this one, right? I'm feeling that my all students are understand this one. And the next question, right? The sixth one question also is there. This question also is the same, equal sets. We want to find the equal sets, right? That also coming in the same way only, right? And it already did the every question. One question I already did, right? For the next one, for I am giving for you to do the homeworks, right? Okay. Then everybody to do the homeworks and their peoples, the students can send the answers in my number. I will check and I will give the solution for that. Okay. This is a class for today. I am winding up. Okay. Thank you.